Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oat cookies without banana. First, ensure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, in a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in 3 cups of rolled oats. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Now it's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake in your preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. The centers might still look soft, but they will set as they cool. Let them rest on the baking sheet for 2 minutes. After resting, carefully transfer the warm cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Once fully cooled, store your delicious oat cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. They are perfect for a snack or a sweet treat. Enjoy your baking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.